Let's discuss the Wolff-Chaikoff effect. In human body, the thyroid hormone consists of a two component. The first one is an amino acid tyrosine and the second one is iodine. So whenever there is an increased amount of iodine in human diet, the patient can produce a symptomatic hyperthyroidism. So to prevent this hyperthyroidism, the thyroid gland undergo a phenomena called as a Wolff-Chaikoff effect. So the Wolff-Chaikoff effect is the prevention of a thyroid gland to undergo oversecretion in a presence of high iodine in human body. How this Wolff-Chaikoff effect work? In a presence of a high iodine, the high iodine level will inhibit the organification process in the synthesis of thyroid hormone. The organification process is a process in which the iodine combine with the tyrosine forming the MIT, the monoiodotyrosine and the DIT, the diiodotyrosine, and this process is under the control of the thyroid peroxidase enzyme. So the high iodine diet will inhibit the organification, decreasing the level of DIT and MIT, which will eventually lead to the decreased thyroid hormone synthesis. This Wolff-Chaikoff effect is a temporary phenomena and a patient can escape from it within a days or week. But sometimes there is a failure to escape from the Wolff-Chaikoff effect. So it can lead to the hypothyroidism. Mean the high iodine will inhibit the production of a thyroid hormone, so it can lead to the hypothyroidism in the presence of high iodine in human body. This failure to escape occur in the amiodarone induced hypothyroidism. The amiodarone is an antiarrhythmic drug which have an iodine, so it can lead to the high iodine level and it can cause a hypothyroidism. Other than amiodarone, the escape from Wolff-Chaikoff effect also occur in certain autoimmune disease. It was all about the Wolff-Chaikoff effect. Now let's discuss the Jod-Bisdoff phenomena. In the Jod-Bisdoff phenomena mean the lack of the Wolff-Chaikoff effect. Mean the high iodine in human body will not inhibit the thyroid hormone synthesis. So the excess iodine will lead to the hyperthyroidism. This Jod-Bisdoff phenomena occur in a patient with toxic adenoma. So it was all about the Wolff-Chaikoff effect and the Jod-Bisdoff phenomena.